Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to remove the spring of VRC and VRD knobs on T16D and T12D. VRC and VRD knobs are self-centered by default because they have springs inside them. If you want the knobs not to be self-centered, you just need to remove the springs inside them. But pay attention, the tension of the knobs cannot be adjusted after you remove the spring, and it may be a bit loose for some users. And once you remove the spring, it is hard to install the spring back, so please think carefully before you remove the springs. And we need two screwdrivers. One is for big screws, and the other one for small screws. Remove the back shell of T16D. Unplug the 4 cables. Here are VRC and VRD knobs. And 4 screws are there. Remove them. And 4 small screws are removed. And here are VRC and VRD knobs. And we also need to remove the 2 small screws on both of them. And the 4 small screws are removed. The spring is in the middle. And remove it. And remove the spring of the other knob. The 2 springs are removed. And install the small screws back. And put the 2 knobs back to the original place. And install the 4 screws back. Put back the back shell. Remember to connect the 4 cables. And make sure the cables are not tangled when you put back the back shell. And tighten the 4 screws. After the modification, we need to power on the transmitter and calibrate the 2 knobs. Power it on.
Welcome to RadioLink.
Enter main menu. Transmitter settings, stick mode. And select the mode, which is mode 2 for this transmitter. And calibration. And move the joystick and knob to the middle position. And also turn the VRC and VRD knob to the middle position and press OK. And move the joystick and knob to the maximum and minimum stroke. Turn VRA and VRB. And press OK. The joystick calibration is done. And enter basic menu. AUX-CH. We can assign VRC to control channel 7 and VRD to control channel 8. Return to the sub display. Turn VRC and VRD. And we can see the knobs work well and will not return to the center automatically. So that's all about how to remove the spring of VRC and VRD lobes on T16D and T12D.